Welcome to our mental health platform. Your company has implemented this tool to prioritize your well-being. When you first log in, you are greeted with your dashboard. This page is a navigation tool to help you explore the platform. You can reach any of the features through this dashboard or by clicking on the menu bar on the left-hand side. Let's start with the courses. Here, you can access a wide range of courses, including our Introduction to Mental Health course, Stress and Resilience, and Suicide Awareness. You can even learn soft skills such as active listening and communication skills. When you complete your training, click on Certificates to view and download them and to keep track of your CPD points, ensuring you meet your annual targets. Next is Resources, which is a comprehensive library covering a wide range of topics to help you manage your mental health and well-being. Your next feature is our survey tool, which allows you to give your employers feedback. Don't worry, even though you're logged in, the feature is completely anonymous and no one can recognize who you are. Your feedback is important and we appreciate your participation. If you're looking for extra help on using the platform, check out the Document Hub for support. If your company offers employee benefits, you will see them in the next feature, from employee assistance programs to accessing internal support such as mental health first aid and advocates. Don't panic if your organization doesn't provide benefits. You can use our vast directory of mental health and well-being providers to get the support you need. Throughout the platform, you will see buttons such as Crisis Line, Employee Assistance, and Get Help. These are touch points we have implemented to ensure you know what help is available. If you need any further help or support, be sure to get in touch.